Grow your own peanuts, from seed to snack. Ready to ditch the store-bought peanuts and grow your own delicious fresh snacks right in your backyard? This video will guide you through every step, from choosing the right variety to enjoying your homegrown harvest. Let's get growing. Peanuts aren't just peanuts. There are several different types, each with its own unique characteristics. Understanding these differences will help you choose the best variety for your garden and your taste buds. There are 4 main types: Virginia, Runner, Spanish, and Valencia. Virginia peanuts are known for their large size and are often used for snacking. Runner peanuts are commonly used in peanut butter due to their uniform size and flavor. Spanish peanuts have a reddish skin and a nutty flavor, while Valencia peanuts are sweet and have multiple kernels per shell. For beginners, Runner and Virginia varieties are often recommended due to their reliability and ease of growth. Peanuts are sun-loving, warm-season crops. They need a long growing season to mature properly. This means you'll need to consider your local climate before planting. Peanuts thrive in USDA growing zones 7, 10, where the summers are long and warm. If you live in a cooler climate, don't worry. You can still grow peanuts, but you might need to start them indoors or choose a shorter season variety. Remember to check your local frost dates and plan accordingly. A little planning goes a long way in ensuring a successful peanut harvest. Not all peanuts are created equal, especially when it comes to planting. You'll need to use seed peanuts specifically intended for growing. These are different from the roasted peanuts you buy at the grocery store. Seed peanuts are raw, unroasted, and untreated. You can find them at local garden centers or online retailers specializing in seeds and gardening supplies. Look for reputable suppliers to ensure you're getting high-quality seeds. Avoid using peanuts from the grocery store, as they may have been treated with chemicals that prevent germination. Starting with the right seeds is crucial for a healthy and productive peanut crop. Peanuts need well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Good soil preparation is essential for healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Before planting, take the time to amend your soil properly. Start by adding compost or well-rotted manure to your garden bed. This will improve drainage, add nutrients, and create a favorable environment for peanut growth. Peanuts also prefer slightly acidic soil. A soil test can help you determine the pH level of your soil. If necessary, you can amend the soil to achieve a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. Healthy soil equals happy peanuts. Timing is everything when it comes to planting peanuts. Wait until after the last frost and when the soil has warmed to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. This ensures the seeds will germinate properly. Plant the peanut seeds about 6, 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters apart in rows. This spacing allows the plants enough room to grow and spread. Plant the seeds 1, 2 inches, 2.5-5 cm deep. After planting, water the soil thoroughly. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during germination. Patience is key. It may take a week or 2 for the seedlings to emerge. Once your peanut plants have sprouted, it's important to provide them with the care they need to thrive. This includes regular weeding, watering, and fertilization. A little attention goes a long way. Weeds can compete with your peanut plants for nutrients and water. Regular weeding is essential to keep your plants healthy. Mulching around the plants can also help suppress weeds and retain moisture. Water your peanut plants deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim for about 1-2 inches, 2.5-5 cm of water per week. Avoid overhead watering, as this can promote fungal diseases. Peanuts benefit from regular fertilization. A balanced fertilizer applied a few weeks after planting can help promote healthy growth and a good yield. Look for a fertilizer with a balanced NPK ratio: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can harm your plants. A little fertilizer goes a long way in providing the nutrients your peanuts need. Consider using organic fertilizers like compost tea or fish emulsion. These provide a slow-release source of nutrients and are beneficial for soil health. One of the unique things about peanuts is how they develop their nuts. After the peanut plant flowers, it sends down pegs, stems, into the soil. These pegs are where the peanuts will form. As the pegs form, it's important to mound soil around the base of the plants. This helps the pegs enter the soil easily and provides a good growing environment for the peanuts. Mounding also helps to protect the developing peanuts from sunlight. Regularly check your plants and add more soil as needed. This simple step can significantly increase your peanut yield. Harvest time is an exciting moment for any gardener. Knowing when to harvest your peanuts is crucial for getting the best flavor and yield. The harvest time depends on the variety you planted. Generally, peanuts are ready to harvest about 120–150 days after planting. A good visual cue is when the leaves start to yellow. You can also dig up a few plants to check the peanuts themselves. If the peanut shells are well formed and the kernels are plump, it's time to harvest. Use a garden fork to gently lift the plants from the soil. Shake off any excess dirt. After harvesting, you'll need to dry your peanuts before you can enjoy them. Hang the plants upside down in a well-ventilated area for several weeks. This allows the peanuts to dry properly. Once the peanuts are dry, you can roast them in the oven or in a skillet. Roasting enhances their flavor and makes them even more delicious. Store your dried, unroasted peanuts in a cool, dry place. Roasted peanuts can be stored in an airtight container for several weeks. Enjoy your homegrown peanuts as a snack, in recipes, or even make your own peanut butter. Growing your own peanuts is a rewarding experience. From planting the seeds to harvesting the nuts, you'll gain a new appreciation for this versatile crop. Plus, you'll have a delicious and healthy snack to enjoy. Ready to start your peanut growing adventure? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment below sharing your own peanut growing experiences. Happy gardening!